Here we are at the Coachmen Pixel. We got Lisa.
Hi.
Intending to drive the Pixel. This is Coachman's newest van. Pretty awesome. It's got a pop top. Our favorite type of vehicle or van, because we own a pop top. We have the 20C, Nova 20C. What do you think of it, Lisa?
I like it.
It's cool, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
And we got this little bench here that supposed to open, so the brothers and sisters don't fight. We got elbow room. That's show price, $119,930. It's got a big bathroom. Full-size fridge for the most part. Freezer. Cabinets. Cabinets are nice and thick. You know, at least they don't got the stove here because it pulls out. Nice ducktail carpentry. There's a stove that goes on top of it that you got. Pretty cool. Here's a little bit of the front of the Pixel. Nice black tires. Hello.
Hi.
It's got the cassette toilet. Which I can't open right now. See if I pause. Hey everyone, this is Tony from Rolling Faith. If you like this video or if you like this van, please contact Sunshine State RV in Gainesville, Florida. They were our gracious host during this RV show, and I believe they have the best service department in town, guaranteed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Rolling Faith out.